I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. And today is the day before St. Patrick's Day, and the day we show off our lady leprechauns. The idea was with the Dolls Gone Goth that J Dolls UK and I do as a team, is that our leprechauns were gothy or silver and black or gray and black. And they like platinum instead of gold or silver. Silver for sure. So this is my little Gothia. And after I got her little outfit made, I don't know, I swear to you, I do bloomers fatter and fatter or wider and wider and wider, and they still come out like pants. But I thought it was hilarious because I think she looks like she's in a prison jumpsuit. And I like it. We hope that you have a lady leprechaun video today that you'll share with the hashtag DollsGoneGothLeprechaun, so everybody can go to the hashtag and see one another's lady leprechauns. Thank you to J Dolls UK, as well as everybody that participated and joined in with their lady leprechauns. Next month, for Dolls Gone Goth. Isn't this the cutest umbrella? Look at the back. I mean, it is absolutely the same. Isn't that cute? Woohoo! Next month is thunderstorms. We hope you will think about what you might dress your goth doll in. Remember, it can be any kind of doll. You can do anything you want and still have fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.